Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small haul from InLoveArtShop. They sent me this, so I'm going to show you what I got, and then I will come back with another video to show you what I made. So I will have the links to each one of these dies in the description below, as well as a 20% off discount code. 20% discount code, so yay. And somebody's trying to stick their dog in my video. Anyway, so these are the different pieces here, and I will come back with a finished project. I got these while I was on vacation, so I hadn't had a chance to show you these. But this, of course, you can bend this up and give a peekaboo through the flap to see through it, and you can put something in here like a post-it note or candy or something thin, because it's perforated right here and it's the flap over top. So I will be showing some projects with that. They just trying to get attention. So I did get some toppers. So that's a small one, and then here's another bag topper and another bag topper. So they are. Can you pass me that ruler? Let me give you a little bit. Oh, I have my own sizes on them. Stop, boy. So this one is basically about 3.5 when you look at the circles. And then this one is about 4.25. Yeah. And then the smaller one is about 3, almost 3.25. So these are 3 bag toppers. I thought I'd play with some of those. This one is small, but it's a little globe. Can't think of the name of it. Yeah. Like a little globe. It's a couple pieces. It's about 2 inches. About 2. Chill. So you can, it has the base and the different pieces with it, so you can layer it and you can make it into a shaker. So I will come back to some of these pieces. And then you also have this box right here as well. And the longest, it is about 5.25, and at the width, the widest point, roughly about 3.25. But of course, it's going to be folded up, so the base would be about almost 2.25 width, and almost about 1.25 inches in height. So it's going to be small, but you have the little top of this thing at the top. I'll come back and show you those once I make some projects. And then this is a little ice cream cone that can be layered, that you can make some cute little things out of, some ice cream cones. And so, and that one, the height is, let's see, the base of the cone, well, let me show you the length of the whole thing. It's roughly about 1.75. And then, of course, you can layer the cone and the ice cream and make it a waffle or keep it solid. And I will come back and show you what I made with each one of these. And I don't know if we want several different videos, but I will come back and show you that. I will have the link below, again, a 20% discount code, as well as the links to each one of these items that you can buy very good prices on InLoveArtShop. And again, they sent me these. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care.